everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to answer the question, what is the minimum payment for Affirm? You see, based on the information from Affirm, there is no single fixed minimum payment amount that applies to all Affirm users or purchases. And here's why. You see, your minimum payment is your scheduled installment. When you take out a loan with Affirm, you agree to a payment plan that includes a set number of installments over a specific loan term. It could be 4 bi-weekly payments or 3, 6, or 12 monthly payments. Each of these scheduled installments is effectively your minimum payment amount for that specific due date. Secondly, payment amounts are determined by loan terms. The amount of each scheduled payment, that is your minimum payment, is calculated based on the total purchase amount, the approved annual percentage rate, and the chosen loan term. To find your specific minimum payment amount and due date, you need to refer to your Affirm loan agreement. This information is clearly presented to you before you confirm your loan and is also available in your Affirm account online or in the Affirm app. Therefore, the minimum payment for an Affirm purchase is the individual installment amount that you agreed to pay according to your selected payment plan and loan terms. Hope you found this video helpful.